In today's video, we'll discuss how to use benchmarks in construction accounting, uh, specifically for job costing. When you review job costing reports, you look at percent completion. From there, you're trying to estimate total cost for the entire project. But how do you know if that percent completion is accurate unless you send someone into the field to double check? And for that, I have a solution. What you can do is to develop benchmarks. In essence, you can get any kind of data for your completed contracts in different kind of Excel files. Then you can feed them into ChatGPT or any other AI tool, asking it to develop benchmarks. So it can go through the data. It could be some timekeeping details, it can be job costings, or it can be a combination of both. And based on that raw data, it can develop benchmarks to understand how much efforts it takes to complete work, what's the curve of work completion. And then based on those benchmarks, you can actually look at your current contracts and progress to understand whether, a particular contract, a particular job is actually aligned with historical performance, whether there are any kind of deviations, and you may have to take actions. So what you see on my screen is a table that summarizes data for existing jobs. And you can see like multiple concrete, different regions, different trade units, planned quantity, planned unit cost, budget from plan, then quantity installed. That's your kind of budget and actual data, unit cost actual, median unit cost. Then you can see deviation from unit cost and then estimate completion. So this is, this way you can try to understand whether you're on track or not. Then deviation from EAC, and it looks like from cost standpoint, data looks good. But here we're getting to benchmarking. So in this case, for this particular job, we can say that it's 50% complete on time. Reported completion is 65%, and then benchmark completion. So in this case, we looked at similar type of jobs to see how much time it takes to complete it, based on units, based on time, and where this job should be from completion standpoint based on previously completed jobs. And you see it shows that, percent completion is 17%. So most likely this is overstated. In this case, you can actually, send someone to the field to see if, how the job is actually going. Maybe, they're much more efficient. The second line, you can see it's, small deviations, 3%, probably, it can be explainable. And so this one looks okay, but definitely you can change, level of tolerance. So, you can actually catch different things at different point of time, depending on what you think is acceptable or not. So this is an easy way to use benchmarks to estimate progress of your work in construction. That's it. And please visit leisuresummit.com for free consultations. Thank you. Bye.